Oops. Yeah, hi. So we're just going to check Joy's supplements, and I'll just talk through what shows up because, well, I'm sort of curious. I'm always curious what shows up as the priorities because it changes. What I'm doing is remote testing for Joy every 3, 4, 5 days whenever I think about it and have 5 minutes free. So I go through and I check the priorities and the number and combinations. So it gives me a bit of an indication of what's going on. It gives Joy, rather than taking 20 things, she only has to focus on 3, 4, 5 or something like that.
Even that is too many some days.
And then that's why I prioritise from the top.
Oh, you haven't got a dead fish over there with some feathers.
No, I don't tend to have dead fish in the clinic.
It looked like a bloody carp made of something like balloon material, but it's feathers.
So the pain is huge. There's still lots of inflammation. The right hip bursa, the shoulder since the breast operation as well.
But it's not all the time. It's various positions you put it in.
And then you've got the lymph pain under the arm. So if you
both
poke
arms,
both
most
arms,
of the time.
so the lymph pain is there a lot of the time. And then from the healing perspective, chemo didn't show up so bad today. The bone pain, how's that now?
Oh, mainly in this hip, and sometimes.
So it's more the bursitis rather than the side effect of that medication.
I think so.
Yep, good.
It's mainly in that knee and this hip.
Okay.
The hip much more than the knee.
Cool. And then energy. How's your energy?
I got none.
Okay. But you're still making yourself get up and out and about and doing stuff?
Yeah, well, I went to, no, some days, like the other day, I think I had visitors every so often, and then I went to yoga, and I certainly didn't do much because I was doing a lot of up and downs and stuff, and I don't do the things that I'd be at risk for.
Yeah.
Because standing on one leg at yoga isn't real good at present.
Okay. So let's have a look.
And anything that where your head goes lower than your
Oh, it's bad
tummy.
for your digestion. Yeah.
My digestion is probably rat shit at present.
Okay. Yes, I'll put the ginger on there as well, the Ultraflora Intensive Care.
Oh,
Okay. Okay. Is there anything else that should be on this list that isn't? I've got a whole page of supplements here.
Check about if I'm supposed to do anything to stop these funny looking rough patches appearing on my skin.
Okay.
I don't know what they are, but they keep coming up.
And hold. Could be just oxidative stress, because chemo stops cell division. So therefore
It
cells...
stops cell division. Is that why your hair falls out?
Yes.
Because
it's trying to stop cancer division. So if there's cancer cells, it's like what the governments all around the world are doing with coronavirus. It's trying to mitigate the cancer cells. So it stops cell division so it doesn't grow into another tumour.
Does coronavirus give you cancer?
No,
Right.
totally separate. Not my point. My point was that us being told to self-isolate is sort of like stopping cell division. Mm-hmm. If we're out there in the public everywhere and we're sick, we're spreading it. The cells are dividing left, right and centre.
Okay.
Sorry, thought my analogy would work. It didn't. That's okay. Okay, but yes, I might just put a couple of my favourite antioxidants in there. Okay. Okay, so what's the first priority for this body? Okay, so first priority is Brock shots. 1 every second day.
Oh.
So that's the least that it's shown up in a long time, which is also a good sign. That's the second priority. Okay. For stem enhanced, second priority.
They're the green ones, yes,
Mm-hmm.
right.
So increases stem cell production from the bone marrow, goes to the areas in the body that are the most inflamed. Oh, okay, the next thing's your Barocca. Are you doing one of them every day?
No, but that's because I probably forgot.
No, that's okay. It's showing up 2 daily at the moment.
Okay.
So you just need lots of bees, to keep your nervous system regenerating.
There's hardly any bees in the garden, but a lot of butterflies. And it wasn't lost on me. I was making a sarcastic
I
comment.
know. And then 4 scoops of Arthrex. No, it's not. That's a lie. It's 2 scoops.
For how long?
Yeah, I'll check that in a sec.
I may well need another pot if I won't be
Okay.
back for a fortnight.
Yeah.
But I think it might be 3 weeks till the 1st of April.
It possibly is, yeah. Which was going to be when we were having visitors, but it's the noobses.
Are they self-isolating?
No, 90% of the flights have been cancelled, so they got 2 emails saying that they were...
They live in Australia, don't they?
Yeah. But yeah, so within Australia, 90% of Qantas and Jetstar have been cancelled and 50% of Virgin have been cancelled
Even internally.
internally.
What happened that woman of 77 went from Noosaville to Sydney and died on the plane?
I did not hear about that.
Well, that's what it said in the paper. I mean, I'm not saying that it's true. Died of coronavirus, I mean.
Really?
That's what it said.
Right, well that'll scare the crap out of everyone.
That's why I'm thinking that maybe you're talking about the aeroplanes being... I mean, she must have either told lies. I can't imagine they'd have let her on the plane. And they wouldn't have put her on a plane with everybody else if it was a medevac emergency to take her to somewhere for treatment for coronavirus.
Yeah,
But that's what it said in the Courier Mail.
interesting.
And I thought, well, just what the hell was she doing on a plane with all these other people?
There's been a few people who have been on planes who have been not open about the fact that they've been with someone with corona.
My right tit doesn't particularly care for that little tapping, even though I'm sure it's very gentle. That's not hurting me.
No, that's
killing
okay.
me. I'm just telling you.
Okay, so we've got the Brock shots to protect your genes and your DNA and to help with your genetic ability to detox and reduce inflammation. Stem Enhance to increase stem cell production. Baroccas for your energy. Arthrex for your joints. Intensive care, so we've got to go back to the gut. Keeps changing. And then ginger tablets as required. So that's your priorities.
Okay.
Beautiful. Okay, stay there. We'll get into some massage. Thanks, everyone. Bye.